Welcome to Cinute Digital Pvt Limited. Company profile. At Cinute Digital, we are pioneers in IT training. We specialize in providing hands-on, industry-relevant courses that prepare you for the demands of today's tech landscape. Courses we provide: software testing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, business analysis, prompt engineering, DBMS, digital marketing. Upholds the highest standards in education, recognized nationally and internationally. AAA certified, ACTD certified, Skill India training partner, ISTQB certification training provider. CDPL is proudly ISO certified. At Cinute Digital Pvt Limited, CDPL, we are committed to delivering excellence in quality and information security across all our training programs and operations. Our ISO certifications reflect our dedication to global standards of performance, consistency and trust. Meet the team. Learn from the best. Our instructors are seasoned professionals with extensive industry experience dedicated to your success. Classroom and training facilities. Experience state-of-the-art classrooms and labs equipped with the latest tools and technologies for an immersive learning environment. Our placements. Our students who have cracked their dream career in 200+ working professional. Parent company, Testric, 14+ years of experience. Student testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our students about their transformational journey with CDPL Academy. For any queries, please contact us.